Welcome all of you, dear friends. Today we are going to understand the how to uh, registration we have already seen in the previous video. But actually, once you have joined to that particular course, what you have to do, where these courses will be available, all about I will try to explore in this video. Let us we move towards it and we'll see that. Once I have joined to that particular any course, then you can see where your courses will be available admitted. Okay, you can once you have registered a login within this platform, then your mail id will be appear before, on this platform. Try to remember it. Whether this your email id is not appear, then it means that you are not entered successfully within this platform. It means that you have to log in by providing your email id and password, or with the google login or facebook, or many more options are available here. Through that mode you can enter within this platform, and then further process you have to do. Suppose you have once joined to that particular course, then these courses will be appear before it. Click to your Gmail ID, and below arrow will be appear, and three name will be visible to you: my profile, my courses, and sign out. You can see that my profile. This is very important. Such type of information you have to uh, fill up fill out at the beginning. Okay, when you have to take the admission, and after that only you will be able to join the course. Okay, you can edit if there is changes from here. You can edit from here. You can changes. Suppose if you want to add something, Anna Pre Saibro, suppose I want G add here. Okay, and then I can add. And but once you add something new, then both I agree to same term of services and I agree to follow the honor code, both have to need the click. Okay, and update profile and uh, once you have joined to the course, at that time also this window will come, and uh, review and confirm the registration such window will become there, and click there. Okay, just I have updated profile, you can update also. Okay, and such information you have to fill out everyone. And now I am going to move towards my courses. Okay, once I click on my courses will be visible to me for which courses I have taken the admission. Okay, if these courses could not visible in this platform, then try to click on the sync courses, then automatically these courses will be appear here. Okay, and you can see that quality assurance through NAC accreditation process. For these courses, I have registered educational video production and different type of courses. Whatever you have registered, all these courses will be visible, will be available in your account. Okay. Suppose I would like to show you an example: emerging trends and technology in library and information services. Okay, for these courses I have completed it. And what you have to do, go to course. This tab will be helpful to you for going towards the course, for that courses you have taken the admission. Okay, just I will click here, go to courses, then my course, entire course will be appear before me. Okay, in the left side you can see that week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Okay, suppose all these courses will be available one by one. Now I have completed, that's why all weeks resources are available here. One, but when you enter into this course and when started that course, at that time, uh, as per week they can make available to week wise resources on this course outline uh, parts. Okay, and this is about the courses information. Just suppose this is my course, first course. Okay, and I can see that first is introduction, then module 1 video, module 2 video, module 3 video, and then ppt regarding it. Okay, and textual another ppt, module 2 ppt also given here. In this way textual material and audio visual materials are made available here. And last you can see that quiz assessment. Here you have to click and you have to after listening this video I have completed it, and so it is not working now, but such type of quiz will be available there, and you have to read out the questions and following options, and out of them you have to choose point. Will after submit, lastly you have to submit. Here submit option will be available. Now it is not available because it is completed by me. In this way, when on which date you have completed, all this detail will be appear here, and mail will be sent to you after submission or any instruction regarding it. Okay, then uh, there is also uh, announcement parts. You can see your progress from here. Okay, you can ask any questions, any doubt from here. Ask a question. Suppose if you want to ask questions, the discussion forum will be available before you, and then you can uh, put your questions, any doubt regarding it. No issue. Then you will be get the you can see the discussion forum. Okay, lot of students have raised their questions and queries, problem regarding the content, and they have uh, posted the relevant proper answer and um, clear their doubt. Okay, in this way discussion forum will be helpful for removing the doubts of the e-learner community. Okay, progress you can see from here, how many videos and assessment marks you have get. Okay, in this regard you will see under this progress parts, it is my name, and you can see that when I have entered in this course, and assessment wise uh, marks marks obtained which have shown here. Okay, in this way swim platform will be really helpful. In the next part I will say something about it. Thank you very much.